Hi, in this video I will show you how to add a playlist on IPTV Smarters Pro. So once you're in there, you can head over and then show in here what to do. So I have in here this article that can help us with that. So if you have an IPTV Smarters web player as well as other options or other device installation for that, you can head over and open your web browser and then go to the official website of IPTV Smarters, which is iptvsmarters.com. Then from in there, navigate to the downloads and click the available for web browsers button. After that, tap the explore button in the prompt that appears on the next screen that you can see right here. Read the disclaimer and hit the accept button. Now just choose in here the playlist format that you want. It can be stream panel, player API as well as M3U portal. Enter your playlist credentials in the given fields and hit the add playlist button that you can see right here. Once the playlist loads, you can select and stream your desired TV shows onto your device through this method. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helps you